Coronavirus is ripping through a university campus with more than 220 students and staff testing positive in the last 10 days. The figures from the University of Manchester are of serious concern, and the institution has bowed to pressure from unions, students and parents to release the figures daily. The infection rate in the city for people aged 17 to 21 rose to 745 cases per 100,000 in the last week, the Manchester Evening News revealed. Yesterday, the university issued a statement denying that there was a spike or outbreak in its Fallowfield accommodation. But that stance now appears to have changed following publication of the latest data. After a handful of confirmed cases between September 21 and 27, a total of 53 students and 3 staff tested positive on Monday, and further 129 students and 1 member of staff on Tuesday. Fallowfield Central, the area that covers much of the student accommodation in South Manchester, has now become one of the country's main hotspots for coronavirus. The latest figures updated on Thursday show that rate has increased further, with 106 cases recorded in the week to September 26 and an infection rate of 863. Meanwhile, down in Devon, an alarming number of students at the University of Exeter are testing positive for coronavirus, the council has said. Cllr Roger Croad, Devon County Council Cabinet Member for Public Health, said that while there was not much evidence of any community transmission that was being spread by students, the number of students testing positive in recent days was alarming. The exact number has not been confirmed, but it is believed that there are at least 60 student houses of multiple occupation off campus that are self-isolating, in addition to others in the halls of residence, reports Devon Live. The university has asked all of their students who live in the city not to meet indoors with anyone who is not part of their household for 14 days, except under some acceptable circumstances, such as attending lectures on the COVID-19 secure campus. Steve Brown, the Deputy Director of Public Health, Devon, has thanked university students for responding to the new additional measures to curb the coronavirus infection, and said it is essential that everyone in the city's community continues to follow the rules to help prevent the spread of the virus. In Exeter, 13 new coronavirus cases were confirmed today, following 23 being confirmed yesterday, with more than 100 cases confirmed in the city in the previous 8 days, although not all are linked to the university. On Tuesday, Mirror Online shared footage of more than 200 students breaking the rule of 6 for a huge party in Coventry. The video clip shows a party with numbers far exceeding the government's rule of 6 stipulation aimed at preventing the spread of coronavirus. Youngsters can be seen jumping on tables and forming a dancefloor as they rave to a song in a tightly packed crowd. The clip was filmed at Arundel House, close to Coventry University's main campus. Police said an agreement had been reached to shut down some communal areas in the accommodation and beef up security in light of the gatherings.